where we go to scouts at, they don't allow Boy Scouts to have full-tang knives, so the only thing they can carry is a pocket knife, and they don't ever make fires with their knives. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to show them how to make fires with their knives. Now, you can baton with a pocket knife, but not like a full-tang bushcraft knife. Instead of putting your blade like this and batoning, because you can break the lock or the thing that keeps it from folding in on itself, what you'll do is you'll turn your knife blade like this. You apply slight pressure. One good thing about the older Boy Scout and Cub Scout knives is it's made from high carbon steel, and in the old Boy Scout books they have diagrams of where they have used it as flint and steel. Now what we're going to do today is we're going to try that out to see if that's the case with these. All right, I saw some strikes. Well, I was able to get an ember. This is my fire with a pocket knife. An old 1950s or 60s style Boy Scout pocket knife.